In the vast universe of the internet, YouTube has become the ultimate stage, a place where ordinary people turn into global celebrities and even millionaires. But behind every viral video lies the question we all secretly wonder: how much money are these creators really making? Today, we're breaking it down. The estimated monthly and yearly earnings of the world's biggest YouTubers, and how ad revenue and sponsorships transform their videos into fortune. Let's start with the king of YouTube himself, Mr. Beast. With over 433 million subscribers and more than 95 billion views, he stands at number one. Just last month, he gained 12 million new subscribers and pulled in 1.6 billion views. That translates to an estimated $400,000 to $6.4 million every month. And yearly, anywhere from 9 million to 145 million. Add sponsorships, where a single integration can be worth several $1 million, and it's easy to see why Mr. Beast dominates financially. Next up, Cocomelon nursery rhymes. With 197 million subscribers and a staggering 208 billion views, they rank third in subscribers and second in total views. In just 1 month, they gained over 1 million subscribers and 2.1 billion views. That equals $522,000 to $8.4 million monthly, and yearly, nearly 5 million to 79 million. Thanks to their simple, family-friendly content, Cocomelon also attracts massive sponsorships worth millions per deal. Then there's Vlad and Nikki. They hold 145 million subscribers and 112 billion views. Ranked 6th in subscribers and 7th in views, they're growing fast. In only 30 days, they added 2 million new subscribers and earned 1.4 billion views. That's about $355,000 to $5.7 million monthly, and between 4.4 million and 70 million yearly. Toy and family brand sponsorships often add hundreds of thousands more per video. Now, the Stokes twins. With 131 million subscribers and 26 billion views, they rank 8th overall and first in the people category. In just 1 month, they gained 2 million subscribers and 842 million views. That brings in about $210,000 to $3.4 million monthly and $3.1 million to $49 million yearly. Their partnerships with fashion, lifestyle, and app brands often bring in six-figure sponsorship deals. And finally, Mark Robber. Bringing science and tech to the mainstream, Mark boasts 71 million subscribers and 14 billion views. He's ranked number one in the tech category. Last month alone, he gained 600,000 subscribers and 428 million views. That's an estimated $107,000 to $1.7 million monthly and up to 27 million yearly. Because of his credibility and trust with his audience, sponsorships often reach into the hundreds of thousands per video. Put it all together, and the numbers reveal the immense financial power of YouTube. Ad revenue alone brings in millions, but with sponsorships added on top, the figures soar even higher, turning YouTubers into some of the most financially successful personalities of the digital age.